Greetings, my name is Brandon Frame, and I'm the Senior Director of Social Emotional Learning at the Urban Assembly. And I'm traveling around the United States of America to see high-quality social emotional learning in action. My travels have brought me to Queens, New York to see business, technology, early college, high school, and how they, over the last 4 years, have been prioritizing social, emotional, and academic development. So let's go inside and check out their high-quality work. It's so good to see you. So I've been traveling around the country to see high quality social emotional learning in action. And my journeys have brought me here to New York City, to Queens, to business, technology, early college, high school. And I can remember back to 2019 being here for the first time and just the amazing work that was happening. But I'm on this journey to see high quality social emotional learning. So can you tell me a little about what the journey has been like here for you as the leader of VTEC around social emotional learning?
As an early college, career technical high school, we wanted to make sure that our young people were not just focused on academics, that we were developing the whole child. And in order to do that, we saw a really good opportunity to partner with you and Urban Assembly to bring SEL to VTEC. What that looks like now is our students are leading learning around social emotional learning, where seniors are working with ninth graders to facilitate sessions on how do they build up their social emotional competencies. That also looks like our teacher leaders meeting weekly SEL meetings with the Urban Assembly team to really look at data, the DESA data, make decisions about like how do we implement instruction. It looks like community events that we have, whether it's our field day, our SEL awards that happens each quarter, where students vote for their teachers that help them to embody SEL competencies, and teachers vote for students.
That's outstanding, phenomenal. I mean, so many words I could say. And so today, while I'm here, can we go around and just meet some students, meet some faculty, hear from you, and others in the building just about how you are doing this implementation and what it sounds and feels like.
I would love that. Enjoy your visit.
Awesome, thank you.
I champion SEL because I believe in educating the whole child. And if you are focused on developing the whole child, it's really important to think about developing the social emotional well-being of our young people.
It is something that strengthens the relationship between teachers and students. And I found in my 6 years teaching here that SEL has made the difference.
Social emotional learning is something that should be a part of everyone's life, whether you are an adult or a child.
Considering just the demands of what they've had to go through over the last couple of years and just the demands of modern living in general, I think it's more important than ever to explicitly teach these skills. You can't be someone that works with children if you don't actually respect the fact that it's part of our job now.
My strongest SEL skill is social awareness.
My biggest strength would definitely be self-awareness.
Would probably be being social aware. Growing up, I had this image I had to so-called maintain, and it made me reflect on who I am and how I want to grow as a person.
Now that I'm a senior, and more so this year that we've came along with SEL, training and stuff, I've gained the awareness that I need to not only benefit myself, but benefit others.
And it also helps with my friendships and stuff. As in if my friends are in a happy mood, I will be able to sympathize or empathize with my friends.
We started in 2019, but what we were finding was we wanted SEL to permeate throughout our school. We didn't just want it to live with a handful of teachers.
SEL skill that I need to work on is communication. I'm still working on decision making. I can verbally talk to people and explain things, but when I'm in an emotional state, my judgment is poor.
So I think that high school students need to develop social emotional skills because it helps give them foundational strategies to help be functioning members of society.
And when you go into the real world, you need to have a solidified independent identity, like who you are and how you understand yourself, that you do best.
So I prioritize continually relating current events and what's going on in the world to their lives so that they can come to a better understanding of what their relationship is to society, what their role in society is and what it can be.
A group that I want to thank for making sure that SEL is a priority in school are our student leaders.
Someone I would like to thank is Ms. Prashad.
I would like to thank Mr. Thompson.
Named Johnny's.
So there's actually two people. So I want to start off with Miss Ma, along with Miss Aquata.
Actually helped me a lot in the sense of being self-aware. The one-on-one conversations and the teaching in classes.
And I would also like to thank Mr. Aquata because he was able to make me break out of my shell of being rather hiding my emotions and not showing it towards the world.
Wow. Did you see that? Hearing from Miss Henry, hearing from the teachers, the students around how they have been prioritizing social emotional learning over the last 4 years is powerful. And I know that the rest of the country, New York City, can really look to the work that's happening here at BTECH as a model for excellence around social emotional learning.